I've been taking you on a journey as I revisit some of the places I love and uncover the island's hidden gems. This is my Sardinia. My day starts on the northeast corner. The ancient Greeks call it Olbia, meaning happiness, and you can see why. For many, it's the gateway to the whole of the island. And one of the best ways to see it is by car. In my opinion, these are some of the best coastal roads in the world.
When I was about 10 years old, every single boy that I knew had a poster of this Ferrari Testarossa in their bedroom. And today, here I am, driving one. How about that?
Wow, what a beautiful ride. Right, back to Villa D'Acampo to cook up one of my favorite family meals. It's a full house today. My dogs Oreo and Duke are pleased to see me. Now, time to get cooking. I'm going to show you now one of my family's favorite dish ever, pollo in birra, which is chicken cooked in beer. Now, I usually use a Sardinian beer, a lager, but if you can't find that, don't worry about it because you can use any lager that you want. And I'm also using chicken thighs, which is, not many people like to cook with chicken thighs, but I do because they're nice and tender and they're very, very tasty. So the first thing that you're gonna need is one of those casserole dish, okay? Put it on a heat. In there, we're gonna put a little bit of an onion. I'm gonna roughly chop it. And we're gonna put a little bit of rosemary. I got plenty of rosemary here on the in Villa D'Acampo. So what I'll do, I'll just take the leaves and I'm gonna put them on top of the onions. Now we're gonna use the pancetta. In Italy we bite like this, like a big block. And what you do, if you bite this, you get rid of the rind on the bottom and then just dice it as you like it. So, hot pan, pancetta straight in there. So as you can see, I'm not putting any oil yet. And there is a reason why I don't put any oil, because I'm relying on the fat of the pancetta to come out. Then I got the onions and the rosemary. Straight in. Add a splash of olive oil and black pepper. Okay, so you want to cook the onions and the pancetta for about 7 to 8 minutes. Make sure that they, especially the onions, they get slightly crispy. Okay, now we're ready for the chicken. I'm using beautiful big chicken thighs. Look at that piece, okay? The chicken in skin side down first. We want to give it loads of flavor to the skin. Once you do that, leave it for about 5 or 6 minutes. Make sure that you color the skin. Oh yeah, look at that. This is exactly what you want, the beautiful color all over the skin of the chicken. Okay, you turn the chicken thighs around like this. Once you've done that, you can use vegetable stock or chicken stock, whatever you got is absolutely fine. Sprinkle on top of the chicken. Scrape the bottom of the pan because that's where all the flavors are. Okay, get the beers. Very, very simply, that's what you do. While I'm cooking in my outdoor kitchen, I like to check on my friends. That's my peacock, by the way. Yes, I am a peacock whisperer. I have some planting to do. What's gonna happen now, you bring everything to the boil. I'm gonna come back here for in about 10 minutes time, check that everything is okay, and lunch is served. I have to say I do love my vegetable and herbs beds because whenever I need something, I don't have to go to supermarket, delis, I just come here, pick what I want, and the job is done. And I know that there's not going to be any rubbish on top. I'm tired already. Whilst I'm here, I'm going to take some of the Villa D'Acampo rosemary back to the kitchen. Okay, so this has definitely been reduced more than a half, and I am super happy. Now I'll add in the rosemary from my garden to give it an extra kick. Once you are at this stage, guys, there is nothing else you have to do. Let it rest for about 5 minutes and just pick it up in the middle of the table, a bit of bread to do a bit of donkey, and the job is done. You can't get better than that.